Assalamu alaikum, good morning, welcome back to my channel once again. Today is Monday, first day of the week, so make sure you watch weekly analysis video as well. After this video, I will leave the link in description, and if you like this video, don't forget to press the like button. Let's get started. This is gold hourly chart. Gold made low around 1918.50 today and highs around 1928.89. So nearly $10 range since gold opened today. Today gold opened pretty flat. Nothing significant happened during weekend. After so many weekends, we had a pretty calm weekend. So that is a good thing for market stability. Today we have German PPI numbers, ECB president speech, and Fed chairman speech. German PPI numbers will be 12:30. ECB president speech will be 1 p.m. Fed chairman speech will be 9:30 p.m. Indian timing. So keep an eye on these events. These will be the major events today, which could decide the fate of gold prices. Currently, gold prices are trading 1927. If you want to avail paid buy and sell signal, you can send message on WhatsApp. Number is flashing on your screen. Currently, gold prices is trading in a pretty much flat to weak zone. So let's have a look at resistance and support for today's trading session. 1941. That will act as resistance in gold prices. If gold break and sustain above this resistance, then expect 1950 and 1916. Support at 1914, 1914. If gold break and sustain below this support, then expect 1900 and 1890 in gold prices. Currently, gold trading is in weak zone, flat to weak zone, so trade accordingly. Do not trade against the trend. Let's move on to silver. This is silver. It made low around 24.90 today and then bounced back to test around 24.50. Currently trying to survive $25 by trading around $25 4 cent. Even silver have entered in weak zone because it made lows below $25. So now gold and silver both have entered in weak zone. So let's quickly have a look at resistance and support in silver today. 25.30. That will act as a resistance now. If silver break and sustain above this resistance, then expect 25.50 and 25.70. Support 24.75. Below this support, expect silver to test around 24.50 and 24.20. Currently, silver is in weak zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to oil. This is crude oil. Made low around 104. Currently trading 108. Trading almost at the highest point of the day. Finally, crude oil is showing bears how to get away from selling. Last week it made low around $94 and currently it is trading at $108. It is in very bullish zone, so trade accordingly. Let me give you resistance and support for today's trading session. 103.80. That will act as support in crude oil today. If oil break and sustain below this support, then expect 101 and $99. Resistance $110, 60 cents. Above this resistance, expect 112 and 114. Currently, crude oil is in positive zone, so trade accordingly. Do not go against the trend. Let's move on to forex. First, we will see euro. These are the levels from last week, so I'll just remove them. Euro had a good week last week. It finally tested above 1100, then crashed back to test around 1000 once again. Finally, it tried to settle around above 1050, but now even it is trading below 1050. Euro is trading in weak zone. So let's have a look at resistance and support now. Resistance now at 1070. Above this resistance, euro will enter in positive zone and it could test up to 1100 and 1140. Support at 984. Below this support, expect 940 and 900. Currently, euro is in weak zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to British pound. These are the levels from last week, so I'll just remove them. Currently, British pound is trading 31.53 after making last week it made high around 31.97. This candle is all attributed to the Bank of England, which raised interest rate last week. Pound crashed and then bounced back to test almost at the highest point. So it was a pretty dramatic move by British pound after rate hikes. Currently it is trading 31.53. Let's have a look at resistance and support now. 31.25. That will act as support in British pound now. If pound break and sustain below this support, expect 30.90, 30.60. Resistance at 31.25, 32.25, not 31.25. 32.25. Above this resistance, expect 32.50 and 32.90. Currently, it is in pretty flat zone, so trade accordingly. Actually, that resistance support is wrong. Let me rectify them. 31.35 is support and 32.25 is resistance. Either support or resistance will trigger the major trend. Currently, the trend is flat. Let's move on to cryptos. This is Bitcoin. These are the levels from last week. I'll change the levels. Support in Bitcoin stands now $40,450. Resistance is same. In fact, the resistance is so good that the Bitcoin made high around 4147 and it couldn't break the resistance. So the resistance is still intact. Support have changed. The trend is still positive till market is holding above support. Let's move on to Ethereum. These are the levels from last week's video. Resistance is same. Support have changed. Now support at 2820. The resistance is same. The trend is same. So nothing have changed in Ethereum. Sorry, the support have changed a little. Now let's move on to Indian market. This is Indian market gold, currently trading 51,430 rupees. Support at 51,180, resistance at 51,720. I will refresh these levels around 5 p.m. You can check 5 p.m. levels in community post by clicking the join button. You can also check copper, zinc and nickel levels in community post by clicking the join button and select 599. Silver is trading 68,000 rupees. Silver resistance at 68,800 rupees. Support at 67,200 rupees. If you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to press the like and share button. You can share this video with your friends and colleagues. You can share this video in your Telegram or Facebook. The link you can check by clicking the share button. Also join me for live stream in evening. Live stream channel link in description. For paid signal service, WhatsApp number is on your screen right now. So that was the video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like and do let me know your feedback in comment section. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.